In a small, peaceful village nestled between towering mountains, there lived a young girl named Lila. She was known for her bright smile and gentle heart. Every day, Lila would walk through the village, greeting everyone she met, spreading warmth and cheer wherever she went. One day, a mysterious stranger arrived in the village. He was old, with a weathered face and eyes that held stories of distant lands. The villagers were wary of him. He wore tattered clothes and carried nothing but a small bundle. Whispers of mistrust spread through the village like wildfire. But Lila saw something different. She noticed the sadness in the stranger's eyes, the weariness in his steps, and her heart ached with compassion. Without hesitation, she approached him. "Hello, sir," she said with a kind smile. "You must be tired and hungry. Please come to my home. I will prepare a meal for you." The stranger looked at her with surprise and gratitude. He hadn't expected such kindness. As they walked together, the villagers watched in disbelief. Some warned Lila to be careful, but she paid them no mind. At her small cottage, Lila prepared a simple but hearty meal. As the stranger ate, she listened to his stories. He told her of the places he had traveled, the hardships he had faced, and the loneliness that had accompanied him for so long. Moved by his tales, Lila offered him a place to stay until he regained his strength. The stranger gratefully accepted, and over the days that followed, he helped Lila with her daily chores. They formed a bond of friendship that was built on trust and understanding. As time passed, the villagers noticed a change in the stranger. He no longer appeared as a weary traveler but as a wise elder who shared his knowledge and skills with the community. He taught them new ways to cultivate their land, repair their homes, and heal their sick. The village began to thrive, and the once weary villagers grew fond of the stranger. They realized that they had misjudged him, letting fear cloud their hearts. It was Lila's compassion that had opened the door to a better future for them all. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, the stranger gathered the villagers and spoke. "I am not just a traveler," he revealed. "I am a wanderer who seeks to share wisdom and kindness with those who open their hearts. It was Lila's compassion that brought me here and helped me reveal my true purpose." The villagers were astonished, but they also felt a deep sense of gratitude. They understood that compassion had the power to change lives, to transform a stranger into a friend, and to turn fear into love. From that day on, the village became known far and wide as a place of kindness and compassion. And Lila, with her gentle heart, continued to inspire others to look beyond appearances and see the goodness in everyone. The story of Lila and the stranger reminds us that true compassion comes from the heart. It teaches us that when we open our hearts to others, we not only change their lives but also transform our own. Moral of the story: compassion is a powerful force that can break down barriers, heal wounds, and bring people together. When we choose to act with kindness and understanding, we make the world a better place, one heart at a time.